All right, today we will start to create your LLC. We will submit the form today. First thing is make sure you've already created your email address using your business name. With gmail.com is always easier to do it with Gmail. Make sure you have you got a notepad to keep track of all your passwords and your information. Make sure you got another notepad just for taking notes in case you need to write down anything. I've already completed my forms, so as I go through the process, I will be uploading my forms. I will show you a copy of the forms. There will be copies of the link available as well for you. So first thing we're going to do, we're going to start by going to the Virginia website for the business, which is going to be the SCC. SEC.virginia.gov. When you get to the website, make sure you've already created an account. When you create your account, just go ahead and use your personal name, your personal email address to get set up. What we want to do now is we want to get to creating a new business. So we want to click on create a new business. From here you want to go, it will show you the steps getting through the form. Once you get online, you want to go ahead and then click on the online services here. Once you click on the online services, you want to click on new businesses. Once you click on new businesses, you want to click on Virginia entity. For business entity type, you want to scroll down to LLC, limited liability corporation company. For filing type, you want to do articles of organization. You want to click on continue. Here you will have your document fee. Here is where you will enter the name of your business. This is also where they will check the availability to see if your business is available. Your business name would be available. Just make sure that when you do the business name check, you don't have to include the LLC at the end. For now, you just want to write your name for the business. Do not mention the LLC at the end. Just the name of your business. Mine is Marco Polo IT Services. So I'll go through and show you what mine looks like now. So for mine, I go through my dashboard and I've already started my submission. So this is the one we were just looking at, so I just removed that record. And this is the one that I've started already, so I'm going to click on process. As you can see, it's Marco Polo IT Services LLC. I am here where it's my articles of organization, so let me show you through the steps here. So once you get through your entity search, you're going to do your entity information, and let me just walk you back through everything here. And I'm just walking you back so you can see that there's my business name, and yes, go ahead and include the LLC. I had to include the LLC on mine because I was having issues with my name. So that was the only reason I had there. So I'm clicking on next. My name is available. From here, you want to type in your business email address, which you should already have from Gmail. I advise you to go to Google Voice, download the Google Voice app, and go ahead and create you a Google Voice number, so that way you can use it for your business. For industry code, you want to click on 0 for general. For duration, you want to leave it as forever. Click on next. Here you want to leave for your individual agent search. You want to type in, you want to do the click on create individual RA. When you click on individual RA, you're going to go ahead and type in that you are a member or manager box. Leave it as individual. First name, last name is your name. Go ahead and put your home address there. Get the information put in. Here, this is where you want to write your business address, which it should be your home address. Go ahead and write the name of your business there, and then your address to your location. You want to make sure that you change this to manager managed and click on next. This is where you will need to upload your documents. The documents that you need for this will be 2 documents. That is what you need to submit with this form when filing the $100 fee. First one is your Articles of Organization form. You want to make sure that you have this document filled out, this form filled out and signed by you. You need to have this filled out and signed by you with the same information that is in your application. The second document you need is a operating agreement. This is an operating agreement. You want to make sure you have your name of the business at the top. Make sure it's one for Virginia, and this is where you go through. You need to make sure all the information in there is correct, changed, updated, of any sort. I have a template for this. I will make sure you have a template for all this information. This is good because if you ever have to go to court, this shows that you do not have liability over the company. No one can sue you beyond what the company has. They can't go into your personal accounts to get your money. So this is everything, and you will need this notarized. So make sure that you get this one notarized and then signed by you, and then this will be your second document that you need to upload as well. So now at this time, I'm going to go ahead and attach and upload my documents now. So we're going to upload my documents. So here, so I have my Articles of Organization, and I have my operating agreement. Alright, and we're just going to click on next. Once you get your documents included, here's where you're going to do your signature. You're going to do it as a signing as the individual, and you're going to type in your name and information, and then you're going to click on add, which should add your name down here as well as the organizer with your signature. Then you want to click on next there. Alright, so you'll see there that my information is completed now, that I have my form here just for review, my business name, limited liability LLC, my business email address, my business phone number. This will be forever. I am the agent. There is my business address. I am a manager for it. There's my 2 forms attached. There's my signature. And now we're going to go to payment. And this is where we're going to pay here. So you want to make sure that you have your fee for your $100 there. And because we're just doing processing on regular processing, we're just going to keep it the same there. And then we just go to add the shopping cart. And now we just need to review and make sure everything looks good. And then we make sure everything looks good there. And now we are going to go ahead and check out. Alright, so once you're ready to check out, go ahead and go to payment. Make sure that you agree. and this is where you will enter in your payment information that you can pay online and get through the payment process. So I'm going to go through so you can just get a feel for it as I complete this process. Alright, and as you can see, my payment is submitted. Everything went through. There is my business name and submitted for processing, and now we're waiting. We go back to our dashboard, and you have successfully entered the information for your Virginia LLC. Stay tuned. We'll continue to work with you on the next steps, which is your business plan. So we'll show you how to start filling in some of the business plan while you're waiting for this application to go through. Once it is approved for your LLC and you get that name, that's where next we're also going to move to the phase of buying the .com, as well as then starting to put the request in and forms in to create your federal tax ID and your state tax ID as well too. Stay tuned.